Good morning, everybody. I am Shivaprasad. Welcome to the Civil Career YouTube channel. In the last class, we discussed introduction of mechanics. Now, we discuss about laws of mechanics. Okay, the first one is Newton's first law. Second one, Newton's second law. Third one, Newton's third law. Fourth one is Newton's law of gravitation. Fifth one is law of transmissibility of forces. Sixth one is parallelogram law of forces. Okay, we will discuss briefly Newton's first, second, and third law. Then, in the further classes, we will discuss law of transmissibility of forces and parallelogram law of forces. Okay. First one, Newton's first law. It states that every body continuous in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled by an external agency acting on it. Okay, it means Newton's first law explains the inertia of a body. Okay, Newton's second law, it states that rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the impressed force and it takes place in the direction of the force acting on it. Force F is equal to mass m multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Okay, force is equal to rate of change of momentum, but momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Okay, as mass do not change, force is equal to mass multiplied by rate of change of velocity. That means rate of change of velocity means acceleration. Okay, therefore force is equal to mass into acceleration. F is equal to m into a. Okay, Newton's third law, it states that every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, next, units and dimensions of quantities. First one, what is unit? Unit is a measurements are always made in comparison with certain standards. Okay, for example, when we say that cloth piece is 2.5 meter long, the measurement of length is with respect to a scale on which graduations are marked. Okay, similarly, for the measurement of time, weight, current, speed, etc., different units are used. Each physical quantity is measured for the purpose of analysis, study, comparison, experimentation or results, design, etc., with the help of measuring units by comparison. There are four system of units. There are three system of units or four system of units because in some textbooks some authors or mentioned three system of units, but here we discussed there are four system of units used for the measurement of physical quantity. First one is AFPS, means foot, pound and second. Second one is CGS system, that means centimeter, gram, second. Third one is MKS system, meter, kilogram and second. And fourth one is SI unit system, that means System International D units, the French name. The SI system of units is said to be an absolute system. First one, SI units, International System of Units. The fundamental units of the system are meter for length, kilogram for mass and seconds for time. The unit for force is Newton. 1 Newton is the amount of force required to induce an acceleration of 1 meter per second square on 1 kg mass. As we know, weight of a body in Newton is equal to mass of the body in kilogram multiplied by acceleration due to gravity in meter per second square. Next, dimensions. Dimensions is the branch of mathematics dealing with dimensions of quantities is called dimension analysis. There are two systems of dimensional analysis. First one is absolute system and gravitational system. In the absolute system, MLT system, we are using a system of units defined on the basis of length, time and mass is referred to as an absolute system. According to SI, system of units, three basic units, first one is meter, second and kilogram, can be used in MLT system. M refers to mass, L refers to length and T refers to time. The second one is gravitational system, FLT system, a system of units defined on the basis of length, time and force. The difference between absolute system and gravitational system is main. In absolute system we use meter, second and kilogram, but in gravitational force we use length, time and force is referred to in gravitational systems. In this system, force is measured in a gravitational field, thus its magnitude depends upon the location where the measurement is made. FLT system refer to the force, length, time system. Okay, the dimensions of basic quantities MLT and FLT systems are shown in this table. Okay, the first column shows the quantity, second one MLT system and third one is FLT system. Okay, the first one, length, quantity length, in MLT system we represented with L and FLT system also L. For mass, M, in FLT system F, L raised to minus 1, T raised to 2. Okay. Third one is area, L square, L square. Volume, L cube, L cube. Velocity, L T raised to minus 1, L T raised to minus 1. Acceleration, L T raised to minus 2, L T raised to minus 2. Okay. Next, momentum. Momentum, M L T minus 1. Stress, M L raised to minus 1, T raised to minus 2, F L raised to minus 2. Weight, M L T raised to minus 2, F. Force, M L T raised to minus 2, F. You can observe here the weight and force as same dimensional analysis, MLT raised to minus 2, MLT raised to minus 2, and here F and F. Okay. Next, power, M L square T raised to minus 3, F L T minus 1. Last one is density, M L raised to minus 3, F L raised to minus 4, T raised to 3. Okay. Next, vectors. Various quantities used in engineering mechanics may be grouped into scalars and vectors. First one is scalar quantity. What is scalar quantity? Quantity is said to be scalar if it is completely defined by its magnitude alone. Examples of scalar quantities are area, length, mass, moment of inertia, energy, power, volume and work, etc. Okay, these are defined by what? Area, length, mass, moment of inertia, energy, power, volume and work are scalar quantity. Okay, only defined by its magnitude but not direction. Okay. Next, vector quantity. A quantity is said to be a vector if it is completely defined only when its magnitude as well as direction are specified. For example, force. Force has both direction and magnitude. Then moment, momentum, displacement, velocity and acceleration. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about principle of transmissibility, moment, couple, and principle of movement. Okay, please like, share, subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, comment in this video. Okay, thank you.